Hello viewers, this is from Third Programmers, and today we will show how to use unallocated space in pen drive. Okay, now here we go. Then we can see 2.72 GB, but my pen drive is 16 GB. Then the rest part is missing. Okay, we will solve this problem. Go to disk management. Okay, and okay. Oh, then the rest 12.26 GB is unallocated. That's why we cannot see that. Okay, if we want to use these parts and also want to keep these parts data, and then we will use right click, use new simple volume. Okay, then you click next, then click next. You will choose NTFS default and I new allocated space. Okay, you can rename this as you wish. Okay, click next. Hold on some seconds, it will complete. Okay, now I go to my this PC again, and here we can see the rest 12 GB. Okay,